No one enjoys spending a ton of money on repairs and replacements, right? Here are three common mistakes that can ruin your appliances. The first mistake you just might be making is overloading your appliances. Whether it's your blender, your washing machine, or your dishwasher, putting in too much load at once puts strain on the motor and other components of your appliance. And this will lead to inefficient operation and potential breakdown. So always follow your manufacturer's guideline for load capacity. Second mistake you might be making is ignoring maintenance. Your appliances need a little tender loving care to run smoothly. For instance, not cleaning your refrigerator's coils can make it work harder and use more energy. Also, improper storage of your blender can also result in breakdown. So endeavor to make a schedule for regular maintenance and stick to it. The final mistake you just might be making is making use of wrong cleaning products. Using harsh chemicals can damage the surface and internal parts of your appliances. So if you use bleach in cleaning your appliances, please stop doing that because it's going to corrode the surface and the interior of your appliances. Always go for mild cleaning agents or homemade cleaning solutions. There you have it. If you want your appliances to last longer so you can get your money's worth from them, have a solid maintenance routine and stick to it. Like I said, the appliances need a little tender loving care to run smoothly. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.